Okay, I'm going to be going over the steps on page 4-25 in the textbook on creating a vignette. So I have the table image open. Step 1 is verify that the table layer is selected right here. Step 2, click on the rectangular marquee tool on the Tools panel. Step 3, change the feather setting in the options bar to 20. So right here. Step 4, create a selection with a marquee pointer from 50x 50y to 850x 550y as shown in figure 28. So first I want to make sure that my ruler is open, so view, rulers. Make sure that it's on pixels by right-clicking on the ruler. And then you can see where the line here follows my cursor. So I'm going to make sure that it's over 50 up at the top and then 50 on the left. And then when I get it, click and drag it down. And then I need to get it at 550 on the left and 850 up at the top. And it doesn't have to be exact. Just get it right about there. And then you should see your marching ants. Then step 5, click the layer on the menu bar and then go to Layer Mask and Reveal Selection. And there you should see your vignette. Step 6 is to go to View and hide the ruler. And then step 7 is View, clear the guides. Step 8 is to save and step 9 is to close. And that's it.